Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to evaluate the given equation. To solve this equation, essentially, you have to divide both sides by 54 so that we can be left with x, the unknown value of x, make it the subject. This is how we go about it. 54 into brackets 3 power x minus 1, close the bracket, is equal to 162. Divide both sides by 54. Cancel on the left hand side, you're left with 1. On the right hand side, you'll be left with 3. Therefore, 3x minus 1 is equal to 3 to power 1. You can choose to solve from this point using two approaches. The first one is, let's say you choose to introduce logs. Say log of 3 to power x minus 1 is equal to log of 3 to power 1. Introduce this, take it that side, you take this one, take that side, you'll be left with x minus 1 log of 3 is equal to log of 3. Since you're interested in the value of x, you make it the subject, so you'll have log 3 divided both sides. Log 3, log 3. You cancel on the right hand side, you're left with 1. On the left hand side, you're left with x minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Or you can as well decide you're not going to introduce logs. You're just going to cancel it out directly because 3, we have 3 on both sides. So you'll be having x minus 1 is equal to 1. X is equal to 2. Now, given that the value of x is 2, you'll want to establish whether this is indeed what's supposed to be the answer. So how do you go about it? You replace the value of x with 2. So you can have 54 into brackets 3. Instead of x, you have 2 minus 1 is equal to 162. Let's see whether it satisfies the equation. You have 54, 3, of course 2 minus 1 is 1, and it becomes 162. It satisfies the equation. Therefore, we can say with confidence that the value of x is 2.